Hey everyone, it's Joel with Anansi Creative, and today's video we're going to be piggybacking off of last week in that we want to stop mobile browsers like Safari from adding anything to our website. In this case, Safari has a feature where when you click on a form field, it's going to automatically zoom the web page in. And most people, I think, are not having a hard time reading what they're entering into a form. And overall, I think we're going to achieve better site functionality if we just get rid of that. Now, let's say somebody is having a hard time reading what they're putting in. No problem. This isn't going to restrict pinch to zoom functionality at all. So if they want to zoom in, they still can. It's just going to get rid of the automatic zoom when you click on a field. Now, I'm not even going to call this a tutorial because all we're going to do is head over to the link in the description. We're going to copy this single line of code. We'll head on back to Webflow, and we're going to want to enter this into the settings section custom code, which means that it's going to apply to every page on the website. Do this, it's more efficient than going page by page and entering it in to every single page you create. So we'll just drop that in. That's all you have to do. And if we publish that, we can see now that this automatic zoom feature is gone. All right, so use this to make your websites just that little bit better on mobile. If you find these videos valuable, help us put them in front of more people by supporting the channel. If you do, it's greatly appreciated, and I will see you guys next time.